executive, CPR, and all the people that I'm going to call, the two of them, I'm going to give you guys 1 minute each, so that we do not waste any more time. Is the phone number here to give a message of appreciation. Yes. Thank you. I think he can immediately be followed by Longezi Gongo. Please come forward also.
Greetings everybody. I'm not even scared, I'm just overwhelmed. This is my dream, I always wanted to do this. I remember the year before we did the cell phone repair course, I took the phones at home and I was looking at YouTube and fixing them myself, and I broke all of them. And then I saw the poster, I applied, they didn't take me, I was angry. I was really angry. But then here we are. So I'm going to keep this short because, hey, I'm hungry, hey. we all came for the food, obviously. But then I want to thank everybody right here, the MMCs, everybody who made this possible. I really appreciate you. As I said, I will keep this short. And there's someone I don't see right here, but I'm kind of sad, Nico.
Nico.
Yeah, I really wanted to see him today, but it's okay. Nonetheless, we continue. And we appreciate of this moment. And thank you for everyone who's here.